in relative percentage washout, the difference here is that we do not take into account the plain study. So we only use measurements on the immediate post-contrast study and the delayed. So this was initially designed for studies in which you see adrenal lesion at the 1 minute immediate post-contrast, and then you decide to give another delayed imaging without the benefit of the Hounsfield units of the plain study. Okay, so how is it different? The principle is the same. If you want to prove that it's an adenoma, the adenoma should exhibit a decrease in the enhancement or a washout in the lesion. But since we're already taking into account that our first measurements would be at the peak and the second measurement is already at the delayed, our threshold should be lower. Instead of 60, we just use 40. Okay? So, we're expecting that it is an adenoma, adrenal adenoma, if it loses at least 40% of the contrast by the time it's already 15 minutes. Okay? So how do we put it in the equation? So we're going to take the value of this segment. So that's 94 minus 30. And then divide that by the contrast study, which is 94. And that would give us 68, which is more than 40%. That is what we call the relative percentage washout.